Hello everyone, my name is Sasha Adavaya, and I am here to talk to you about John Knows How. John Knows How is a handyman service. We specialize in minor home repairs and construction with an emphasis on being able to assist those who are in a fixed income, such as single parents, veterans, and elderly. Our mission statement is to provide quality services utilizing our expertise in the construction industry to those who are in need. While this is a for-profit organization, we do take on some larger projects, which allow us to offer reduced rates to those who are living on a fixed income. We have found that there is a market for individuals who are on a fixed income to find quality services. It's hard to find a trustworthy construction company, and too often people provide a deposit to an individual or a company that they deem trustworthy, and then they never actually show up. You can see posts about it all over social media. We take the extra time to walk through the issues with the customers and discuss what they are looking to accomplish with their projects. As part of our team, you'll be expected to handle each customer with integrity and respect, regardless of the size of the project or their socioeconomical situation. The same level of respect and quality of work will be extended regardless of whether you are replacing a door or overseeing a kitchen remodel. The size of the project has no bearing on the quality of service that they will receive. Our values here at John Knows How are communication. Communication is key, and we work very hard to communicate clearly and effectively with our customers. Honesty, providing a transparent experience for the homeowner. Trust, taking the time to build trust with our customers because they are important to us and we do want to make lifelong customers out of them. A one-team attitude. We are all in this together to meet or exceed our customers' expectations, and everyone needs to be on the same page. Our code of conduct. Be respectful. Remember, we deal with a wide range of individuals, some who have more than others, and it is your responsibility to treat everyone with the same level of respect and courtesy. Choose your words carefully. Never is it acceptable while at a customer's home to make disparaging comments about them or their house. Always act with integrity. Remember, you are the first impression, and let's make it a good one. Make a difference. This is an opportunity for you to make a difference in someone's life. The larger projects we work on afford us the opportunity to help those in need. This opportunity will provide you with the ability to serve those in need. Our ethics training program. What can you expect? Day one will focus on the history of our company and our mission, and it will provide you with an in-depth understanding of our goals as a company and how it relates to our mission. Day two, we will focus on the right way to handle our customers, meaning we will focus on understanding our customer base. We will draw on past experiences and how we have handled our customers while incorporating some role play into the discussion, so we all have an opportunity to gain a better understanding and leverage creative ways to handle tough situations. This training program will provide you with the tools you need to be successful and to always walk away feeling proud of your accomplishment. Day one and day two of our ethics training program will each be 4 hours. There are many other things that we need to train you on when you start with our company, and this should give us ample time to review the situations we've come across thus far. We will be measuring the effectiveness of our ethics program here, and we will use several different opportunities. First, we'll be recording the training sessions, so we have the ability to capture the creative solutions presented by our new employees. We'll have a quiz. On the last day of the class, we will be administering a quiz to all participants. This will be used as a tool to measure the effectiveness of the class so we can continue to make improvements. This is not a pass-fail situation. It's really just so that we can understand where we need to improve upon. We will also administer a survey to our participants. So at the end of class on day 2, we will be handing out a survey to the participants to gather any suggestions or opportunities for enhancements to our training that they may have. We are hopeful here at John Knows How that this ethics training program will give you the tools you need in order to be successful here, managing through some of the difficult situations that we have encountered from an ethics standpoint. Thank you.